Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I share quick and easy cleaning tips for everyday challenges. Today we're tackling a common annoyance for coffee and tea lovers, those stubborn stains that cling to the inside of your mugs. I've got a handy tip for you to get your mugs looking like new again. Let's dive right in. All you need is some baking soda, warm water, and a soft cloth or paper towel. Start by adding 7 to 8 spoons of baking soda to a small bowl, slowly mixing warm water until you form a paste. You want it to be thick enough to coat the inside of the mug without dripping. Take your paper towel or cloth, dip it into the paste, and apply it to the inside of the stained mug. Make sure you cover all the stains completely. Let the paste sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. This just gives the baking soda sufficient time to break down the stains. After letting it sit, scrub the inside of the mug with your cloth. You'll see the stains start to lift away as you scrub. Once the stains are gone, rinse the mug thoroughly with warm water to ensure all the baking soda is washed out. And there you have it. Your mug is now as good as new. If you have some really tough stains, try mixing the baking soda with white vinegar instead of water. Apply it following the same steps. The reaction between baking soda and vinegar is great for breaking down tougher stains. I hope this tip helps you bring new life to your favorite mug. If you tried this method, let me know in the comments below. Did you get your stains out? Don't forget to like and subscribe for